How to turn off or turn on your startup sound on the Mac. So you want to go to your top left of your screen and then click on this Apple logo right here. And then you want to go to system settings or system preference on your Mac. And then right here on the settings, you want to go to sound. And then right here on the play sound on startup, you want to choose to turn this off or on. This only works if you are on the Ventura macOS. If you have the macOS of Monterey or Big Sur, you want to go to sound, and then on the sound effects pane, you want to choose on the play sound on startup setting to turn the startup sound on or off. Or if you don't find play sound on startup, it may be because your macOS is on the earlier version of the Mac, and on the earlier version, the macOS doesn't offer a setting to control the sound of the startup. And to do it, you want to go to update your macOS by clicking on this general and then click on software update and choose the update. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.